Hello, Sandy Boxall here with an updated video on our Project Manager tool in Tender Ninja. So, uh, Project Manager is probably where you'll spend the bulk of your time as you use the product. It is where you can assemble your bids, import questions, and get things going. So, how does it work? First thing, new bids come in. I'm going to call that, give it a title, whatever it is, based on however you want to manage your information. And that creates this little area here in Project Manager. Now, the first thing you need to do is import some questions. So I'm going to just use the extract questions function, but you can type them in manually. You could copy paste. But if it's a wordy file, it's not a strangely formatted exotic document, maybe like Excel files nested in Excel files, it will happily extract the questions. I've made this a very short set of questions for the purposes of the video, but you can extract lots more. First thing it does, it creates this little dashboard area, and then it will categorize questions by the length it's going to think they should be. And that won't necessarily write to that exact length right now, but it's telling the AI how long or how much information to retrieve. So if it says factual, it's going to try and find a sentence. That might be, what's your registered address or what's your company number? And it'll bring back a single fact. If we say long, that'll be 1,000 words, and it'll go away and look for more sources, more richness, and expect more detail. Once you've set it up, we're assuming you've already seen the first video about the knowledge base where you've uploaded your data. The first thing you can do is you can batch process. Now I'm going to automatically go and select 3 sources from the knowledge base, the best 3 Tender Ninja will pick, and I'm going to use the default style template. Again, style templates are covered in a different video. So once it starts moving, what's it doing? You've got this task manager recording progress, and across here you've got it as it's answering questions across the top. And when it completes a question, it gives you this friendly green answer question completed notification. So what are these circles up here? This is a measure of the status of the project. So when it's red, it means it's written, it's in draft, but it's not been reviewed by anybody yet. So if you see, if I go over here on this first question and I say, oh, review, I've moved it along, possibly even say that's done when it's ready. You'll also see the lines below. They relate to the question status. I'll just scroll down to question 2, and you see how that's got a matching score of 70%, hence the green underscore there, and it's got this breakdown. And what does that mean? The first thing that means is that the matching score is how alike the question is the answer. So what it means is here, this question is all about CVs, the proposed team. And look, it's pulled 3 CVs of the team that's been selected, and it's talked about them here. So it gets a good score because it's absolutely answering the question exactly right. Now, you can tailor the team, you can choose the team, and we'll cover that in a later video. If you had a larger set of questions, you would also find it would paginate and it would use more pages. Also, you can see on this page, it's telling you how many words are in your answer. It's given 500. It's come in pretty good. Makes sense. And you can see that many of these sentences nicely match the question. We will come back to extra things you can do in future videos. Thank you for watching.